Shout out sa saging kong napakalaki guys. Tingnan niyo.
Fresh na fresh.
Ang laki.
Tigas
Ang
pa.
laki ng saging. Ang laki ng saging.
Ang tigas pa.
Tigas ng saging guys. Ang haba at ang tigas. Shout out sa mga matitigas at mahab.
Na fresh na fresh.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, ako ay mag-travel to Oslo and it's just a one-day tour. So actually, dito na ako natulog sa friend ko in Stavanger kasi maaga yung train namin today. So the train goes 10:16 in the morning and I hope everything is set. So nakita nyo yung luggage ko. Sana lang ay wala akong nakalimutan and everything is set, guys. So now, we're getting ready. And malamig siya dito, guys. Kaya kami ay magsimula na maglakad papuntang train station. Good morning!
Hi! Good morning!
Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me.
We're here in the train station. Oopsie. Sis, magbili kayo muna tayo ng ano, ng mainom tsaka makakain.
Every day I reach out sweet as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up.
So, nagbili lang muna ako ng makakain ko sa train, guys, kasi sobrang mahal sa loob ng train. Kaya nabili ako ng coffee, banana, and bread.
Come on with me,
Ito yung train na sasakyan namin. Yan. Yan siya.
baby, now let me warm you up.
So, we're in the train, guys. So, alis na siya. Natapon pa talaga ang aking coffee, guys. Look at that. So, for the first time, guys, hindi ko kasama si Blue Rider Clan, yung travel buddy ko. Thank you so much, Palangking. See you tomorrow, Palangking.
You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go far with you.
Hindi siya
Walang plus. Walang plus, guys. Walang place para magkain kami. May tutok para ako mahulog doon sa...
kami makapag-date mabuti.
So, ito ang ebidensya ng tatlo-tatlohan. Ayan, usog-usog konti. Mga anak ha, wala kayong mga magulang dyan.
Alam mo, hindi nila makita.
Tara.
Maglongganisa, pisina tayo. Maglongganisa, itlog.
Nangunay sa itlog. Pag-uong pa tayo para lahat ng mga nakaupo dito sa tabi natin magsialisan kasi hindi nila carry yung amoy ng bagoong, guys. Yan. Ito talaga yung typical na Filipino. Laging may baon, guys. Kahit saan ka magpunta, hindi talaga nagugutuman ng mga Pilipino.
Talaga.
Nom.
No hungry to, no hungry. No too hungry.
Mami Des, sa pakain.
Baon ang sugo.
Shout out sa mga langgunisa tsaka itlog dyan, guys. Shout out, shout out.
Hindi na may bagoong.
Wala, wang bal. So, nagsabi lang sana, may bagong sana ako dun. Paglapas to ng train lahat ng tao dito ba? Shout out sa saging kong napakalaki, guys. Tingnan niyo.
Fresh na fresh.
Ang laki.
Tigas
Ang
pa.
laki ng saging. Ang laki ng saging.
Ang tigas
Tigas ng saging guys, ang haba at ang tigas.
Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Never ever leave without me.
1 hour and 30 minutes na lang yung gaya namin guys. Kami ay nasa Oslo City na. Bago ko makalimutan guys, I just want to say happy birthday to you, Dikam Ongkort. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday. At saka lagi kang mag-iingat kuya. Nandito lang kami always for you and happy birthday.
Oh, baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out sweet as a heart.
Vi har stor press. Oslo sentralstasjon.
We arrived now guys in Oslo. Andito na kami guys. Ang lamig.
Hello, andito na siya. Nag-text na.
Kararating lang namin guys. So we're here in Oslo.
Malamig.
Malamig dito sobra.
Come on with me, baby. Never ever leave without me. Baby,
Dito na kami guys. Kakapagod yung biyahe.
let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out sweet as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go far with you. Don't forget me now.
Guys, I arrived in Oslo City. So ito yung central station. Kaya if you have plans to be in Norway guys, and kung sasakay kayo ng train from Stavanger, dito kayo ang bagsak nyo sa Oslo Central Station. Oh my goodness guys, nag-frozen na ang kamay ko. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung gloves ko. Ay gutomski na. Sana ay makakain na rin kami.
Come on with me, baby. Never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold.
Good morning everyone. So we just woke up. Guys, as in, ang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko. Nag-overnight stay kami dito. First time ko nakakita ng sunlight guys dito sa Norway. Kasi laging madilim sa winter time. Ngayon, ang sarap ng feeling makakita ng araw guys. So, maya ay kailangan namin i-catch up yung flight namin pabalik ng Stavanger. So, at this time guys, instead na mag-train kami ay mag-aeroplano pabalik ng Stavanger, and from there I will catch my bus 8 o'clock ng gabi papuntang Stord. So, see you later. Guys, ako ay dumaan muna ng Starbucks kasi I'm planning to buy something for Jill Street kasi nagko-collection ng mga Starbucks naman. So, I think I'm gonna buy this one for her kasi ito yung Starbucks na Norway. So, I'm not sure if she gonna like it, but I don't know if she like the mug. Maybe this one, I think. Pero mahilig kasi siya sa kape. Okay. Ito na lang. Para she can have it every time she travel. Ito na lang. Sis Jill Street, I'm gonna buy this for you. Ang huling train na namin to. At we're heading on Oslo Lufthavn or Oslo Airport. So kararating lang namin. Ito na talaga yung last transpo namin papuntang Stavanger. So we're gonna take the plane going to Stavanger, and from there I'm gonna catch my bus 8:15 in the evening going to Stord. Oh my gosh, guys, I saw Mickey Mouse. The red Mickey Mouse, Jill Street. Look at that.
Baby, please let me love you much.
Ganda. Social. My next car.
Baby, now
Do you wanna ride my Porsche? My next car, guys. This is my next car. Jill Street. Honey, buy someone for me. Guys, ang hirap maging Dora the Explorer. Grabe, nakakapagod maging Dora the Explorer, guys.
baby, don't hold forget me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy.
Naki-try on lang ako doon sa mga shades, guys. As of now, wala pa akong budget pambili ng mga shades kasi meron pa naman ako magamit. Kaya, try on lang muna, guys.
Let me warm you up, baby, please. Let me love you much, baby, baby, don't.
Finally, we're here in the plane. Dumaan kami ng maraming kaartihan, guys. Kaya sa susunod, be aware talaga. Pero okay naman kasi hindi naman ako pinagbayad ng 500 crowns. Dapat magbayad sana ako. Kasi akala ko, yung luggage ko mag-fit siya sa ilalim ng seats ko. Eh, hindi pala ang laki naman. Aarte lang talaga eh. Pero, di bali na. Importante nakapasok na kami sa airplane at in about an hour, guys, Stavanger na kami.
Time today is estimated to be 14 minutes.
Everything I do is for your heart, baby,
Personene holder dine personlige eiendeler. Vi minner igjen om det strenge røykeforbudet.
baby, now.
Galing na ako ng airport. Ako'y nasa bus na naman ngayon. Kumakain lang na nuggets. Yan. Kasi yan na yung dinner ko. Kasi darating ko sa bahay ng 12 a.m. So, titake ko ngayon ng bus. Tapos mag-ferry kami. Tapos mag-change na naman ako ng bus sa Hugison. Tapos finally, darating na ako sa bahay.
Every day I reach out sweet as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up.
So now guys, ngayon ako'y nasa ferry na. Tawid lang kami ng isang island. Bago ko lang tapusin tong vlog ko, guys. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga taong tumangkilik sa vlog na to. Shout out sa Team Europa Vloggers, Jill Street, John 2M, and it's Milky Santiago. And of course, hindi rin pahuli ang Team Vox. Nandyan sila Darius Diary, Salsabi, Christian B, and Azuizan TV. Sa lahat ng mga Team Puyaters, andyan sila si Mace, Vlog Roya, Joy Badida, Lenos Collection. And of course, hindi ko rin makakalimutan si Ramarabel Umiping, B-Page Vlog, Ryan Bautista, Mom and Daughter, Black Pepper and Chef Bobby, Dicam Ongquart, Lem Sardnejo, Norham Vlog, Dada Chin, Jason Garcinilla, Kisser Fam, It's Me May, Jojo Eledesma, Iya May Muhal, Ate Direk Iya May Muhal, sana ay okay ka ngayon. Shadow Kizo, at Dara McKay, Boss Marco, Roro Alonso, at sa lahat-lahat na guys. So, kung hindi ko man kayo na-shoutout guys, pasensya na. At maraming salamat sa nag-stay nyo. At ako ay sobrang pagod na. At 2 oras pa guys, ako nasa bahay na. So, if you like this video guys, don't forget to give like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And see you to my next vlog guys. Bye!
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with